Hi everyone, today I'm making cashew chicken and broccoli. So let's get started.
So to begin with, we'll first make a sauce, and for the sauce I'm using hot sauce here. It's Sriracha. Along with it I will use soy sauce and some zero sugar maple syrup just for a bit of sweetness. Chopped ginger and garlic. Also to mix it, I'll add just a little bit of water. Give it a quick stir and it's done. I'm going to steam some broccoli. So here are some broccoli florets. Just add a bit of water to it and just microwave this for 5 minutes and it will be steamed. Chop the chicken into 1-inch cubes. It's very easy. Just take it like that and cut it into 1-inch chunks. Stop. So now my chicken is chopped. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna add some oil in a skillet. I'll just quickly toast the cashews. Now I'll add the chicken to this same oil. So you can see the chicken is slightly cooked. And now I'm going to add the veggies to this. First I'll add the broccoli. Toast the chopped carrots, chopped onions. What I have to do is just pour the sauce on top. Water so that the chicken cooks well. Simply give it all a quick stir. I've just added some water to this and I'll give it a quick stir, and once this comes to a boil I'm going to cover it and cook for 10 minutes. So this is done. Let's quickly plate it up.
This is done. I'm going to quickly garnish it with the toasted cashew nuts on that. Also add some red pepper flakes. A little bit of heat and finally some sesame seeds. And that's done. I'll just quickly give it a taste.